Stegosaurus.
Yeah.
They're in the water.
You want to do our next experiment? We got to put our volcano in there. We got to make it so that the camera can see our volcano, silly. There, can you guys see the volcano?
Can you see the dinosaurs? Too?
So, our next experiment, same thing.
Hey, talk to the Stegosaurus. Woo!
Hi, Mr. Stegosaurus. So, okay, let's see. Gotta get my spoon cleaned off. Let's see. So, we are gonna use same thing again. It is 2 large spoonfuls of baking soda. Thank you, Jericho. Let go. Watch out. Okay, don't spill it, please. 1. Okay. No, see, I didn't want you to get your spoon. Let's see. Thank you, darling. 2.
Shut up.
Okay, and now we need a big old one of the citric acid. Hold on, you have, let go. You have baking soda on your spoon. I don't really want to dip the baking soda into the citric acid. I love children, and I want to have 50 more children. Okay. Yeah. Put you another one of those in there because that one really wasn't that full. There, that's a good one, okay? And then we are going to do the, what are we doing? Oh, yeah. Purple sweet potato powder is what we're doing. Purple sweet potato powder.
Sweet potato, dude.
Yep.
Talk about potatoes. I'm actually getting hungry.
Okay. So, let's see here. And it calls for 1 large spoonful of the purple sweet potato.
Sweet. Whoa, sweet.
There you go. Now,
Sweet potato.
did I put soap in that? I can't remember if I did. See, you've got crap all over our damn spoon.
Soup potatoes. Sweet. Some potatoes. Sweetie. Potato.
Okay, dump this right in the middle of the crater. Let's see what happens.
Sweet potato.
Weird purple foamy. Weird purple foamy. Ooh, that looks really cool though. Look at that. Man, that's the foamiest foam Farmerson I've ever seen. Is that foaminess? That's a lot of, that's like thick foam. Oh man.
Splat. Splat down the spine.
Man, so that's all of the
Talking about sweet potato, I'm giving this thing the scrub of the tub.
that's all of our volcano eruptions experiments that we got for today. Tell her bye-bye.
Bye.
Say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Kiss. Dirty face.